Okay, so here we are. It's the middle of the night, and we're looking at treasures from my treasure chest. Still in the original cellophane wrappers, some of them. This one's been rebagged, and I worked it a little bit, giving clay and stuff off. Okay, so this is about the size most people recognize diamonds at. Diamonds sparkle around the periphery, and they glow in all colors. And they're 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which means they will scratch a ruby. And probably somewhere here there's some scratches along the edge here, I think. I think it's on this edge. But anyway, I did scratch rubies with all of these stones, and they all glow in all colors. And, not all of them are flawless. This is not flawless, obviously. But it is, in fact, carbon. A diamond, right? That's what diamond is. These are too. And these are just little guys, but they're nice. And that little ring in there is also carbon. This is carbon. Here's a nice one. And I think this is about 80 carats, maybe 60 carats, I don't know. I don't think I've weighed it. I don't really care. I'm not trying to sell it. It's just a pretty rock. I think this one came from my friend Sun Afshar in Thailand. Afshar Diamonds and Gems, Bangkok. So here's the thing about carbon is it glows in all wavelengths, and the color of them is not because of the contamination, but rather because of the spacing of the planes of cleavage, and they act like waveguides. This one is the planes of cleavage are half the size of this particular shade of blue-green. And they bounce, the wave of light bounces between them, half one way and half the other way, to this exact shade of blue-green. And so they turn white light into this blue-green light, and light passing through is made green, but the stuff in the middle, remains clear, because we're looking through a clear diamond. Diamonds are clear. How about that? So this little pink one formed higher up than the green one, and much higher up than the purple one. The closer together they are, it goes pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, and so all carbon glows in all colors. see it because of the presence of carbon-14. Carbon-14 emits electrons at the same wavelength as the light that excites it. Plastic also has carbon in it. All populations of carbon glow from that carbon-14. And, everybody knows what those are, except they're not quartz, y'all. Sorry. I know everybody knows what quartz is, but guess what? Okay. Now watch my ruby. It doesn't do diddly with the green light. But it lights up bright and nice in the red light. And ruby will only glow red. Sapphires come in all different colors, but rubies only glow red. How about that? Okay, remember that pink diamond back there? Alright. Pink diamonds don't care about that kind of stuff, neither do purple diamonds. Maybe just plastic. Plastic doesn't glow all the way through. It doesn't have the planes of cleavage, right? These do. And they're giving off actually more light than is being put in because they're emitting electrons at the speed of light. And inside there, they're all exciting each other. I'm only aiming at one of them. But they all light up, and all the ones around them light up. They like green lasers. That one does. That's a nice one there, man. So that's, what I do for fun on late nights when I wake up and can't go back to sleep. Check this one out. Where'd it go? This is a slice from what we call botryoidal chalcedony. Except it's carbon. For sure. It's 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness, and quartz can't be 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness. Which eliminates quartz. Quartz has no reason to glow in all wavelengths, and these will emit all the colors of the rainbow. They create quantum foam in my laboratory when they start passing electrons back and forth at the speed of light. And this is not white light, so it's not changing it to green like it does white light. The carbon-14 is giving off electrons at this exact wavelength of light. Now that my light is off, you can see the ruby lights right in that wavelength, but not this wavelength. Carbon lights up, the plastic bag lights up pretty good, but the ruby doesn't do diddly. How about that?